Dear students, how are you? I am well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now we will discuss about graph. Before discussing main article, we will know about drug. Drug is very dangerous. It damages our lungs, heart, and many other parts of the body, human body. So, we should avoid drug from our life. If we keep our body and health well, we should avoid drug. Now we will discuss class 11 subject English first paper. Today I want to discuss about the graph. The graph below shows the user of internet from 2010 to 2019. There are some information and summarize such as the graph shows the internet users from 2010 to 2019. Here we can see the gradual increase of the internet user from 2010 to 2019. Internet is very essential to today's life. We cannot walk a single moment without internet. If we send a paper and many other things, we will use internet. Here from this graph we may understand that in 2010 there are internet users in 2%. After 2 years, we can see in 2011 the internet users were 3%. Then we can see in 2013 people used internet 4%. Next year 2013 people used internet 5%. After 2 years in 2015 people used internet 7%. Here we can discuss that 2002 or 2010 from 2015 only 5 years people are aware of using internet very urgently. In 2016 people used internet 8% and 2017 people used 9%. The next year, in 2019, the internet users were 10%. By using internet, we can communicate with not only in the Bangladesh, but also the whole world. Internet can send a message within a second. We can send money by using internet. So, internet is essential in our life. Thus, it is seen from the graph that the rate of internet users was on the increased from 2010 to 2019. After all, internet can change our life. Internet can develop our life. Today's discussion is very essential about internet. So we should try to use internet in all spheres of our life. No more today. We will discuss another graph next year, next class. You should try to understand, not only understand, but also better understand, and then you will get good marks in the class, in the examination. Thank you, everybody.
Which